Whacka AI is a website that allows you to build small, narrowly scoped apps. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to paste this in here, and essentially this app I'm going to create allows users to put in a piece of text and it will give them 3 versions. So one that's neutral, one that positions them as a high status figure, and the other one that's more persuasive. So I'm just going to run this prompt and see what we get here. You can take a look at the prompt I've written. It's here on the right. I just got this as a quick output from Claude. And as we can see, it's on it. So tone shift is now going to create this experience with a polished mobile UX and safety rails. Cool. So I'll just come back once this is done. Okay, great. And now we've got this app. I'm just going to test it out with an example with a random piece of text. I'm just going to say, let's say the last quarter's numbers weren't exactly what we were looking for. We need to find out ways to reduce friction points across the workflow, specifically with regards to how we're spending time, energy, attention, and money. Cool. So I often like to use that sort of rubric: time, energy, attention, and money, a convenient acronym that spells team. I think a team analysis is always important whenever you're going to do any sort of workflow and see where the friction points are. So I'm just going to try and rewrite this and see exactly what we get here. I'm going to click on, we can actually, let's see, we can click assess, direct, and disseminate. Interesting stuff. So we can improve it. Let's say connect better. Okay, cool. So we've got this rewrite here. Okay, interesting. So, oh, cool. So this actually does a bit more. It's giving us a full analysis. So the tone is agent, neutral, urgent, mildly critical. Okay, interesting. One on sentence, unclear targets and scope, specific improvement tips. Cool. Okay, sweet. So I'm just going to click on transform and see what we get here. So I imagine this. Okay, cool. So now we've got the neutral the neutral version. Last quarter's numbers didn't meet our expectations. We need to identify ways to reduce frictions across the workflow. So last quarter's results fell short. We're going to remove workflow friction, starting with where we're wasting. Wow, lovely stuff. And then we've also got, it looks like I had this Emperor mode toggled on as well.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Cool. So this is a really interesting app. Maybe there's actually something worth building out. In any case, I think this was a pretty cool experiment to show you how you can use Whacka AI to build these sort of little apps. Definitely give it a go if you think it would be useful for you.